Hey guys, today I want to do a video on how to insert a tampon. So I thought that I had a teddy to demonstrate this with, but then I realized that there's no teddy bear in my entire house. So it's okay, let's just get into the video anyways. Sorry, I just need to get comfortable. So this is the tampon that I use. This is OB. Actually, let me go get the box so we can actually just confirm what this is. Okay, these are the tampons that I use. This is the box. This is by Stay Free. They are new on the market, but I found that I really do like them. So before I was using, I just dropped it. So before I was using this one by the Let's. This is a super, very dry, very uncomfortable. I don't know what they do to this one, but it slides in very easily, and you need that. Sorry, because that's gonna make you more comfortable. This is a normal size. I have a bit of a trust issue with the super tampons, so I just use normal now. So this is by the brand Stay Free, and I also use these pads when I do use pads by Always Ultra. They're just the normal ones. So oftentimes if I decide to wear a tampon that day, then I'll also use a pad just to be sure, because I am someone who has quite a heavy flow. So actually these days what I've decided to do is I only use tampons when I'm actually bathing or showering. I don't wear them during the day because my flow will not allow for that. There's also some sort of ethical debate about whether or not tampons are good for your body. I'm not the right authority to give an opinion on that. But for me, generally, I don't wear them unless I'm bathing, but I feel like it's good as a woman to know how to put one in case you ever need to put one in. Maybe you want to swim while you're on your period or shower or whatever the case may be. It's always good to know how to do it. I remember for me, it was quite a struggle to learn, and guess where I learned how to do it? Right here on YouTube. So okay, since I don't have a teddy, I'm just gonna make a circle with my finger. I guess that will be the vagina. So typically, what I used to do, I don't know why it made sense to me, I would just try and slide it upwards like this. So as you can see, it's not gonna necessarily make sense if you try to do this. It's not gonna go very far, and it's gonna hurt, and it's gonna stick out the whole day, because vagina, it actually has curves inside it, guys. So that's why I sort of prefer this tampon. When I first started, I was using the applicator ones. So I used to use cardboard applicators because they were cheaper, and it was the only applicator available back in 2012. And then I moved on to plastic applicators. Those were great, but nothing actually beats your finger, because your finger is able to move according to the curves of your body. So how you're supposed to insert it, even if you read the leaflet, it's going to say 45-degree angle, which is right, because that's the angle that your vagina will be at. So you want to go in at an angle like this. Is it showing correctly? So you want to go in almost, so I almost try to aim for a 90-degree angle, but I turn it a bit. So I say not 90 degrees exactly, and then that's how you get that perfect 45. You cannot aim up like this. It's not gonna work, guys. It's gonna, yeah, you're gonna remember me if you do that. You also don't want to go like this, because that's also, because you know, in sometimes in the leaflets, or people will say to aim towards your back, but you can't aim straight towards your back like this. It's gonna get stuck and not be able to move up to where it needs to be, because ideally you want to make sure that it's far enough to the point where you're not going to feel it. And one more thing is, you always want to tug on the string. So once you've opened it, you want to tug on the string to make sure that it's in place, and then you will just slide it in at a 45-degree angle. Yeah, so I always go like this, and then I bend it slightly, and then I know that I've got that perfect 45-degree angle, and then I'll push it up into my body until I feel comfortable that I'm not going to be able to feel it, and it's in a position far enough to where I'm happy with it. So pretty much that's it from me. I don't know if I should do a physical demonstration on with clothes on. You guys let me know in the comments below if you would like that. But that's all from me, and I hope I'm making sense. But I just want to shout out again the Stay Free brand, guys. These are like great. Slides in so easily, like you're not gonna believe it. So yeah, I think it's by the brand Obi, because remember back in the day we used to have Obi, so I think that they are back. So thank you for watching my video, and please remember to like the video, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell so you can get a notification every time I do post a new video. I'm gonna try to be more consistent from now onwards. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bunch.
Yes, my love.
Can you help me to create that word that on Cartoon Network?
Yeah, come be in my video first.
Okay.
It's my baby. Say hi, Inka.
Hi.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And subscribe to my sissy's channel.
And subscribe to my sissy's channel.
Oh, thank you. Love you so much.